How to fix you need official WhatsApp to use this account. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to fix a problem that you need official WhatsApp to use this account. So let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So first you have to open your settings on your iPhones, and then you have to just scroll down until you see the option of Wi-Fi and choose it. And here you have to just connect to a network. You have to just open your control center. You can try switching between the mobile data and Wi-Fi, and if it might fix the problem. But if the problem persists, you just have to scroll down and choose this general option over here, and then you have to scroll down to this iPhone storage option, and then you have to just wait for this page to load. And once this is loaded, open this WhatsApp over here, and then you have to just simply offload the app so you can just clear the cache, and then you can just reinstall the app, and that might fix the problem. But if you are still facing the problem, there's a third method that you can do. You have to just go back and open your Chrome browsers and then search for contact WhatsApp. And then you have to just open the link over here that I'm going to show you. Like over here, you have to just open this contact WhatsApp. So here you have to click this contact us, and once you click this option, it's going to bring you to this menu. Now here you have to enter your number, your email address, and then confirm your email address, and then you have to choose how do you use WhatsApp. You can choose Android, iPhone, or whatever you are using your WhatsApp on. I've chose iPhone because I'm using it on my iPhone. And then you have to just enter your message over here that you're facing this problem, and then you have to click next step, and then it's going to just simply submit your appeal, and it's going to solve your problem within 24 to 48 hours. And that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.